Hi, I'm Michael Newrock, and in this lesson I wanted to go over timeframes. Timeframes are really important to the whole trend profiteer system, and with any trading system, it's good to be aware of what's happening on the other timeframes. So I just want to bring to your attention, this is the trade that we took in a previous lesson on the 1 hour time frame. We took it here, and our take profit target, or our target for locking in profits is here, stop here. But anyway, I just want to go over different time frames, because let's say if we go on the 4 hour time frame, you can see we placed our target here close to that peak. So if we look at the 4 hour, you can see that really wasn't the ultimate peak. You know, there's a peak beyond that, and there's a peak way beyond that, and then another one beyond that. So um, it's important to understand that, because there's an additional 150 pips or so just by going from the H1 to the H4, the 1 hour to the 4 hour. And then if we change it to the daily, we're on the daily time frame now, you can see, wow, it just keeps on going. So there's actually 400 pips on the daily time frame to the upside. On the weekly, you can see, zooming out, we can see right back to 2012 and the previous highs, going up 2,000 or so pips, and then the monthly as well. So you can see, as we progress through the time frames, we can see more and more. If we zoom back down to our 4 hour and then our 1 hour, where we're currently trading, we see less and less and more focused on the current trading space. Now, if we go the other way, if we go drop down time frames, say on the 30-minute, we can zoom in even further. Each one of these bars is only 30 minutes now, not 1 hour. On the 15-minute, we're seeing less. So you're really only wanting to use these time frames for smaller trades that are suitable for that particular time frame, unless you're using the trend profiteer higher time frames to guide you into longer running trades. We can drop down to the 5-minute. We don't even see the peaks anymore at this stage, and then to the chaotic realm of the 1-minute. We're really lost total vision of which way this trade should be going. So it's important to be aware of these time frames, to get into the habit of flicking around different time frames and seeing things from a different perspective, and that will certainly contribute positively with your trading, and particularly with Trend Profiteer as the trading system, because it utilizes higher time frames so much as part of inherent to its system. So that pretty much wraps up time frames. This was just a basic lesson, giving you an understanding that there are other time frames, multiple time frames that you can trade in on the Forex charts, or any other charts and trading for that matter. Till next time, good trading, live well, and I'll see you soon.